In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a front plank with your feet on a stability ball. Now, firstly, before I get into the exercise, there's loads of ways as a trainer that I would introduce this to a client. So for example, when you watch me demonstrate the exercise, if you think, I don't want to fall over, or when I put my feet onto the ball, I don't want the ball to roll, the first thing I would do as a trainer is actually pop the ball in the corner of a room. So because it's fixed into the corner, what's going to happen is when the client then does the exercise, especially if it's for the first time, they'll have that security that the ball's not going to move because it's in the corner of a room. Once they then get confident with that, I'll then hold the ball as a trainer and then take my hands off eventually until they're doing it all by themselves. Now, another way that you can do this as well is I'm going to be demonstrating this exercise with my laces on the yoga ball or stability ball. So that's going to be the hardest variation. If I had my shin in contact with the ball, that's going to be easier. If I have my knees in contact with the ball, again, that's going to be even easier because there's going to be less weight distribution for my core to be able to hold during this exercise. So firstly, what we're going to do, we start off with the ball behind us. From here, I'm going to put one foot on the ball and try and make sure it's in the middle. Come into my plank position. Once I've set my plank position, I want to make sure that I come with one leg completely straight. I now bring my left leg up and onto the ball. I brace my core before I do that. Stabilise the ball, and now I'm in my start position. Make sure you're locking out the knees as much as possible. Squeeze the glutes. And as soon as you squeeze the glutes, you'll start to feel that core really engage. You'll tend to find that you're not feeling it through the hips because you're really squeezing the core. That should really activate those core muscles to do a lot of the work. Once you're done, knee down, next knee down, and you come out of your plank position. Again, you'll notice there, I've got laces that are on the ball. So the more I come into bringing shins on the ball or alternatively thighs on the ball, the easier it's going to be. Of course, in terms of size of ball, the larger you are, the bigger the ball you want. However, if you are going to do this exercise, the smaller the ball, the easier it's going to be.